top of the foot, a muscular pair, extending your toes up in the air. Extensor digitorum brevis and hallucis brevis too. Small but they're mighty, working for you. Deep fibular nerve gives them their drive, helping those digits to point to the sky. Dorsal foot do on the top side you see. Extensor digitorum and hallucis brevis agree. From calcaneus they spring to phalanges they head, extending your toes just like we said. Deep fibular nerve S1, S2 is the guide, lifting those toes with power and pride. First, extensor digitorum brevis, or EDB for short. From superolateral calcaneus it makes its report, divides into three bellies, a muscular array. To dorsal aponeurosis and middle phalanges they convey. Digits 2, 3, and 4 feel its extensions art at the metatarsophalangeal joints, playing a smart part. Helps lift those toes up when you take a stride. Deep fibular nerve always by its side. Dorsal foot do on the top side you see. Extensor digitorum and hallucis brevis agree. From calcaneus they spring to phalanges they head, extending your toes just like we said. Deep fibular nerve S1, S2 is the guide, lifting those toes with power and pride. Then extensor hallucis brevis, EHB's the name for the great toes extension. It stakes its claim. From that same calcaneus spot its fibers arise to proximal phalanx of hallux before your very eyes. And dorsal aponeurosis its tendon does meet, extending the big toe, oh so sweet. At the MTP joint its action is clear. Deep fibular nerve conquering all fear. These two muscles form a fleshy little mass on the lateral dorsum of your foot. It has class, sometimes mistaken for swelling when you take a peek, but it's just these extensors, strong and unique. Remember, the little toe stands out from the rest. Its extensions by digitorum longest, putting it to the test. Edema on the dorsum, these muscles might be near, a sign of other issues, so lend an open ear. Dorsal foot do on the top side you see. Extensor digitorum and hallucis brevis agree. From calcaneus they spring to phalanges they head, extending your toes just like we said. Deep fibular nerve S1, S2 is the guide, lifting those toes with power and pride. Dorsal foot muscles small, but they play their role, extending those toes, reaching for your goal. Keep up the great work, future docs, you're shining so true, mastering this anatomy and all that you do.